this is Weird Birds Part 5. Weird Bird Hunting Part 5. It's nighttime out, so first with a flashlight, I have a flashlight. So we're gonna head into the forest. Let's go.
Yeah, I have a flashlight. You have your own flashlight, and I have my own flashlight.
Yeah, but yours is way brighter. Yeah. I just have the flash on. So no, you're gonna lead because you have the flashlight.
Wait, look, hey, look, go. Flashback!
Put it on, turn it on.
Hey, we posted 3 videos today. Oh yeah, it's been an hour, and I'm still surprised that on Declan's videos is on Safari. I don't know why. And I watched that video for like 1 million times. And guys, watch that video because it only has like 12. That's it. Because that video only has 10 views. I mean 12 views. Look how much tree things. First sack. And all this stuff. Did you peel the glue off?
No, not yet. It hasn't.
What is that?
What is what?
Is that footprint or was it from us?
Probably from us.
Yeah, because look, hold up, let's see the shape. Oh yeah, that was definitely from me. Oh my gosh. Thank God, she's crooked.
The Cyndaquil is like right behind us.
That came from up down there. Hold up, we can go down that track.
No.
Yeah, we can't go there. There's too many thorns. Or we can just cut them.
No.
There's another path over here.
No, rock.
Okay. I think I cut on the road. And it's also a perfect time to record because neighbors come out at night. And we just heard something.
Rosh? What the heck was that? I swear I just heard something. Like a bush move over there.
You're joking.
I'm not.
I don't know why, but every single time you do a video. Okay, bro. Let's not worry about that now, but I don't know why, but every single time you walk, you're usually people are supposed to hold the phone like this, but for some reason you're always like on the ground. Keep it on the ground. See, you're doing it again. Oh my god. Yo, this actually looks so cool. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that actually kind of looks like the wormholes. I'm gonna turn my flashlight off right now.
Yeah, same. Hey
4
guys,
seconds.
we're back. It's now you
Let's
can.
just pause the clip for a second.
Yeah, guys, we are back.
Let me turn my flashlight off. You have it. You have a flashlight. That direwolf. Bro, wait. Bro. Yo, what the freak? Yo. What the freak was that?
Wait, we're not actually faking that. We're not faking.
What was that flapping?
Oh my god. Guys, this is just a short, like, this is 4.5. This is like the sequel to 4. This is just at night of that same day. But, oh my god. This will be the end because it was going to be a short video. Anyways, so see you guys.